Hello, welcome back, Chris ATX Real Estate Channel. I'm the host. Please subscribe my channel, leave your comments, like my video. Today I'm talking about the job market in Austin area that affects real estate market significantly. And many people keep asking, "Wait, Chris, why Austin market is so strong?" I mean, even the mortgage meltdown issue 2009, 10 years ago, 11, 12 years ago, Austin market was comparatively least affected market among those big cities in U.S. soil. The reason why is a very strong job market, a lot of jobs and high tech jobs, and many IT technology company they have either migrate their location, transfer their location to Austin, or open a branch offices. And now, recently, this month of July 2020, and there's a news that Tesla picked Austin area for 1 billion gigafactory. And take a look a little bit. So this just off 130 in a tollway and 183 and a little bit of close to the Austin airport, ABIA, Austin Bergstrom International Airport, IBIA, very near that airport. Okay, so let's take
Highway 130 northeast of the airport, and that's where we find our Luis De Leon live tonight in Luis.
And another 141 here. So this is to
be entry level. We're also going to need the best engineers and scientists in the world.
So many jobs will be created here. Okay, so let me take a look. So it's especially 2,100 acres. Wow, and employment is 500 new jobs, and the starting salary will be 35,000. Okay, so that would be significant. So it's announcement. 1.1 billion assembly plan in Travis County is Austin area, and press release from the governor. Okay, and wow, so this is a really significant. Okay, okay, so county voted pass this project proposal. Let me show you this. Not that's only the one. Another good news is, like, as you may know already, so Apple $1 billion campus in North Austin, 5,000 new jobs in 2022. So that is 2 years from now. And Amazon, the Kyle Sorting Center, Round Rock, Buda, and distribution stations, and Pflugerville fulfillment center. Fulfillment center. So see, this is why, and all the big giant technology company, they open up massive jobs and more buildings, more operations, research center or business R&D, and this is why. And thanks for watching, and please, as I said, subscribe my channel, leave your comments, like my video. Thanks for watching.